A toast to walnuts, one of the top 5 low-carb nuts for a ketogenic lifestyle. These crunchy nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for heart health and cognitive function. Adding walnuts to your diet promotes tissue oxygenation and helps sustain overall well-being. Walnuts stand out in the world of nuts, offering a unique nutritional profile. Their rich, earthy flavor adds a satisfying crunch to snacks and meals alike. But what truly sets walnuts apart is their impressive health benefits, making them a star player in the keto diet and beyond. Why? Because they are naturally low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats, a combination that makes them a perfect fit for the ketogenic lifestyle. This balance helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which is essential when you're restricting carbs and transitioning into a state of ketosis. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack, sprinkled on salads, or incorporated into keto-friendly baking, walnuts add a delightful crunch and a boost of nutrition to your day. Their versatility knows no bounds. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients that support overall health and well-being. From their impressive omega-3 fatty acid content to their rich antioxidant profile, walnuts offer a wide range of health advantages. Whether you're aiming to improve heart health, boost brain function, or simply support your overall wellness journey, incorporating walnuts into your diet is a wise choice. So let's listen carefully to the health benefits they have to offer. The Walnut Wonder Health Benefits on Keto. Walnuts truly are a nutritional powerhouse. One of their standout features is their impact on vein health. Walnuts contain a specific amino acid called L-arginine, which plays a crucial role in the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it helps to relax and widen blood vessels, including veins. This dilation improves blood flow and can be particularly beneficial for individuals concerned about vein health. But the benefits don't stop there. Walnuts are also an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in supporting heart health. They also contribute to healthy brain function, making walnuts a true brain-boosting snack. So, whether you're looking to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, or support cognitive function, walnuts are a delicious and nutritious way to achieve these goals. And let's not forget about their low carbohydrate content. For those following a ketogenic diet, keeping carb intake in check is essential. Walnuts are naturally low in carbs, making them a satisfying and guilt-free snack option. They provide a good balance of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and energized. This combination is especially beneficial for managing blood sugar levels, a key factor in maintaining ketosis and reaping the benefits of the keto diet. Incorporating walnuts into your keto meal plan is easy and delicious. Enjoy them as a quick snack, sprinkle them on salads, or incorporate them into keto-friendly baking recipes. 1/4 cup equals 2 net carbs. Keep this in mind when meal planning, having a snack, or baking. A little goes a long way. So embrace the power of walnuts and experience the positive impact they can have on your health and well-being. Savory roasted walnuts, a keto delightful recipe. Looking for a simple yet satisfying keto snack that will tantalize your taste buds? Look no further than savory roasted walnuts. To create this culinary masterpiece, you'll only need a handful of ingredients and a few minutes of your time. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of raw walnut halves with 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of sea salt. Toss the walnuts gently to ensure they are evenly coated with the flavorful mixture. Spread the coated walnuts in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Roast the walnuts for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they turn fragrant and slightly browned. You may want to turn them halfway on time to ensure a perfect roast. Consider tasting one to ensure they have the right amount of flavor for your specific taste. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once roasted, remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the walnuts cool completely on the pan. As they cool, they will continue to crisp up, resulting in a satisfying crunch. Store any leftover savory roasted walnuts in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week. These savory roasted walnuts are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Enjoy them as a standalone snack, sprinkle them on salads for added crunch and flavor, or pair them with cheese for a satisfying appetizer. Get creative and experiment with different carb-free seasonings to create your own signature walnut roast. The possibilities are endless. Beyond walnuts, exploring other keto nut, low-carb nut options. While walnuts reign supreme in the world of keto-friendly nuts, they're not the only option for those seeking a crunchy and nutritious nut snack. Several other nut varieties align beautifully with the principles of the ketogenic diet, offering a diverse range of flavors and health benefits. So let's venture beyond walnuts and explore the wonderful world of other low-carb and super healthy keto nut options. Almonds, with their mild, buttery flavor and satisfying crunch, are a popular choice for keto snacking. They are also just 2 net carbs per 1/4 cup. It's important that we buy nuts with the lowest net carb possible. Some brands will place high fructose syrup or sugar mixture on the nuts that will not be healthy or low carb. Remember 1-2-3. 1 ounce of almonds, or about 23 almond nuts, is the ideal daily portion recommended by the Dietary Guidelines for Americans. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage, and magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function, blood sugar control, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Its skin is rich in polyphenol, an antioxidant that controls the oxidation of cholesterol. One study shows that snacking on these nuts lowers oxidized LDL cholesterol by 14% in 1 month. Adding 1 to 2 almonds helps you meet the recommended daily intake and protect from strokes, heart attacks, and kidney failure. Other studies also support its hunger-fighting effects. As it can curb appetite, it can assist in regulating weight. Overall, a tremendous top low-carb nut for your keto journey. Next up are a keto favorite pecans, known for their rich, buttery taste. These nuts are another excellent option. Pecans are a good source of magnesium, which helps regulate muscle and nerve function, supports bone health, and aids in the management of blood sugar levels, according to the National Institutes of Health. They are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Pecans are the best in a low-carb option, coming in at only 1 net carb per 1/4 cup serving. They are excellent for baking, creating a crust on fish options, or a snack. Macadamia nuts, with their creamy texture and delicate, slightly sweet flavor, are a luxurious addition to any keto diet. They are particularly high in monounsaturated fats, even more so than other nut varieties. This fat hormone can block inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and increase satiety. Eating just 15 to 30 macadamia per day can increase HDL and decrease oxidative stress and inflammation. They have potential benefits that include weight loss, improved gut health, and protection against diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic syndrome. Macadamia nuts are also a good source of thiamine, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in energy metabolism. Let's talk about one more healthy keto low-carb top nut, the Brazil nuts. Their large size and unique earthy flavor are a nutritional powerhouse. Brazil nuts are keto-friendly because they're low in carbs and high in fat. They also offer several potential health benefits, including being a rich source of selenium, which is important for metabolism, thyroid function, and immune health. Just 1 to 2 Brazil nuts can provide the recommended daily allowance of 55 mg of selenium. They can help maintain healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Brazil nuts are high in antioxidants, which may have protective and antidepressant effects on brain function. They may also support mood balance and blood sugar management. Remember to enjoy these keto-friendly nuts in moderation, as they are calorie-dense. A small handful makes for a satisfying and nutritious snack. Embrace the variety and explore the wonderful world of keto nuts. Making nuts a keto habit. Incorporating nuts like walnuts into your daily keto routine doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it's an opportunity to add flavor, texture, and a boost of nutrition to your meals and snacks. Embrace the crunch and discover how enjoyable it can be to make nuts a regular part of your keto lifestyle. Pack a small bag of mixed nuts for a convenient and satisfying snack on the go. The combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber will help keep you feeling full and energized between meals. Elevate your salads from simple to sensational by adding a handful of your favorite keto nuts. Walnuts, pecans, and almonds add a delightful crunch and a boost of flavor and nutrition. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorites. It's a wonderful idea to combine the nuts that match back to your health needs too. Keep your keto macros and carbs in check for portion control. With every bite, you are helping your organs, your brain, your veins, your memory, anti-aging, and much more. You cannot go wrong with these healthy fat keto powerhouses added to your daily routine in moderation and macros check. Another dessert idea is to create your own custom mix by combining your favorite keto-friendly nuts with seeds, unsweetened coconut flakes, and a few sugar-free, zero-carb dark chocolate chips for a touch of sweetness. Remember, the key is to enjoy nuts in moderation as part of a balanced keto diet. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues and choose nutrient-dense foods that support your overall health and well-being. Embrace the crunch and make nuts a delicious and nutritious habit on your keto journey. Please subscribe to our channel so we can update you on a healthy and positive keto lifestyle journey. If you learned something beneficial from this video, please also like us.